Whoa. Okay. So this is my first time seeing this watch in the flesh. Wow. So I'd only seen them in pictures or videos that I saw online, and decided that I wanted the all metal version. So what do we have here? Okay. Looks like it's all in Japanese. I got this on eBay from a guy who lived in Hawaii. He had it listed for $300, or best offer. I offered $260 and he took it. I didn't have to pay for shipping either. What else do we have in here? Wow, this thing looks dramatic. Okay. All right. Extra links and a spring bar floating around in there. He said his thing was sized for 7.5-inch wrists, which my wrist is, so hopefully it'll fit. Oh my gosh. So this is my first time seeing this thing in the flesh. I've only seen videos or pictures. So I know quite a bit about these. I did quite a bit of research. I know there's some older versions that don't have the Bluetooth and don't have the tough solar. Tough solar is really the most important attribute that I wanted, because I don't want to worry about changing batteries. So it was really tempting, like I said, to pick up one of those resin versions for under $100, but I knew I would probably want something else after that, so I went with the one I wanted. They have a couple versions of these watches with the negative face, like the dark face with the dark hands, and it looked from the pictures and videos that it would be hard to read the time. And as I'm getting older, I have to wear reading glasses. I didn't want to have that issue. This is beautiful, super legible. And the first impression I have here is it's a lot heftier than I thought. It feels solid. It's metal and solid, especially the bracelet. The bracelet has a real feeling of solidity. And the clasp is milled. That's nice. That's what I saw in the videos. So not some cheap stamped metal thing. And the guy said that he bought this thing new and only wore it 10 times, and I believe him. This thing looks few little minor scratches on the clasp, and that's where you'll see the wear of a watch. This is the first part that gets scratched up. That is in pretty good shape. You could see them right there towards my thumb on the right. Oh, the links feel real solid. It's this high polish that looks just so amazing. One of the things about this hobby that's so much fun is finding a really good watch and getting a really good deal. I feel like I got a really great deal on this one. Oh yeah. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm telling you, the pictures and videos that you see of these all-metal Casioaks does not do it justice. So let me put it on the wrist so you can see what it looks like. Kind of a cheap box. Some of these guys doing watch videos online, they always have a bottle of whiskey somewhere, but this is my time of the afternoon where I have my drink anyway, so. Yeah, so this watch has these functions, like, so it has world time, stopwatch, timer. Timer is something I'm going to use every day. It has Bluetooth. Wow, I'll tell you one thing, this LCD screen is really hard to read. Like, I'm wearing my reading glasses and I cannot read that. There's the light, now I can read it. Okay, so that's the date, 4/3, and the seconds. So So that's world time. So let's see what time. Oh, they set up for New York. Okay. Here we go. What it looks like on the wrist. He said it's 7.5 inch wrist, and that's my wrist size, and that is pretty much freaking perfect. No adjustments necessary. You got micro adjustments there. It looks like 4 micro adjustment levels. This thing is just perfect. This thing has basically the same features that this MTG has. You have world time, alarms, timer, stopwatch, Bluetooth. Take another sip of my Jameson. Ah, woo! Really excited. Hey, this was fun. My first unboxing video. I mean, I watch these things all the time, especially for things I want to buy. And so it's my very first one here in my living room. I know the lighting sucks in here, but hey, this is my natural habitat, so to speak. So 2 G-Shocks, this is the latest and greatest. And this MTG has been great too. So they're going to be like vying for wrist time now. This MTG is going to get jealous now that this Casioak all metals here. So this one's going to get some wrist time. This one's going to go on the windowsill. That's a great thing about solar watches though. Man, they're always right on time. You never have to worry about changing batteries and all that stuff. So anyways, thanks very much for coming to my channel and watching this video. Appreciate you. Hang out at Mean Gene's Midlife Adventures. Cheers.